Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right, well, yeah, there's something. I got something new for the collection. So if you guys want to know what this is, and I actually picked it up on a restock. If you guys want to know what it is, keep watching. All right, well, let me get on to the get on. I got the white box with the gold Jumpman right here on the front. I believe I've heard that the women's exclusives normally come in the white box, so that kind of tells you this is a women's exclusive. And let's see what is on the tag. Pretty much is going to tell you what I picked up. This is Women's Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. Colorway is white, pure violet white. This is a women's 9 and 7.5 youth. Why is it saying 7.5 youth? That's weird. Anyway, let's get on with the get on. Why did I put the box over here? I normally put the box right here. All right. Here is the paper in the box. We got that white paper with the gold 23s all over it. And the shoe that is in here is the Jordan 11 Low Pure Violet. I was able to pick these up finally because I wanted this shoe when Nike did a restock, but I don't know, something was going on in my life and I wasn't able to grab them. But I grabbed them on DTLR instead. So let's throw this box over here and let's look at the shoes together. These are the 11 lows. The 11 low is another silhouette that I do like. Here's the inside look. Here's the back of the shoe and the outside sides. Left shoe, of course, because we left these in this heels. So I'm gonna pull this in a little closer. Hopefully you guys, yep, you guys are getting a good color. You're gonna get that pure violet all over the bottom of the shoe. All the white hits are on the top along with the shoelaces. The bottoms are it's a clear with an ultraviolet hits. The sock liner is white with the ultraviolet Jumpman. And the shoe also comes with ultraviolet strings, so if you want to switch up those strings, which I don't know, I might switch up one just to see how it feels and then go from there with the shoe. But yeah, what happened? Nike did a restock on these a while back. I wasn't able to grab them, but then DTLR had a restock. So, and I've never ordered from DTLR before, so I was like, all right, I've heard they're legit, so let me go ahead and I'll grab them off of DTLR. They took 5 days to ship these. Granted, yes, I ordered them on a Saturday, so you don't count Sunday, so technically it took like 4 days, but it took me to have to email them to find out, hey, what's the status on my order? Next thing you know, oh, we're gonna ship them out. It's like weird. I thought that was really weird. I mainly order from Foot Locker. Mainly. If I'm going to order, I order from Foot Locker. Or I'm going to store or Nike. But these happened, like I said, these happened to me on DTLR. So I ended up grabbing these. So let me give you a little bit more of a close-up because I see some extra things on here. If you get in real close right there, you're going to see that ultraviolet Jumpman right there. And on the back, you're going to get that ultraviolet Jumpman and that 23 on that back tab right there. These are a couple of things I did not point out the first time. So y'all know what time it is. It's fashion time. So here's the funny thing. I don't even know what I'm gonna pick out for this because I don't wear a lot of purple. So I'm gonna surprise y'all. Gonna be surprised just like me. So let's get to the fashions. Okay, for this outfit, I just kept it simple. Gray Nike sweatsuit with the ultraviolet 11s. And for the bag, this is my Stod bag. Just wanted to keep it nice and casual, you know, for running errands on a chilly day, stuff like that. But yeah, I just wanted to do something real simple with this. Let's get down on the floor and let's get up close and personal with the shoe. All right, and here is the up close of the shoe. The ultraviolet, the light purple is all of the patent leather around the shoe, and then the shoe is just mainly white. I love this shoe because it's simple. It's not a whole lot going on. You can put this on with just about anything. Like I just styled it with all gray. If you want to throw a little splash of purple in, you can, or you can do all purple. The shoe is really, like I said, it's comfortable for me. And I really do like the look and the versatility of the shoe. Show you the backs of them here. But yeah, these are pretty comfortable, and if you're able to grab them, you need to get them. Okay, and for this outfit, I went with the purple sweater vest from H&M. White t-shirt is from Target. I think it's from A New Day, I think. Pants are also from Target. This is from the Kalana Barfield Brown collection, Future Collective. These are the white quilted joggers, and of course you guys know the shoe. For the bag, I pulled my Fenty, my gray Fenty tote for a little pop of gray, but I just wanted to pull a little bit of purple from the shoe onto the vest. Make this a little casual, you know, when you're running around the town doing your different errands and things like that. So I just want to do this look, something casual and chill. Instead of dressing it up, of course, I like to dress everything down. I do dress up some things, you know, whatever. So let's get on the floor one more time. Let's see these up close and personal. All right, and here's the shoe up close one more time so you guys can see the purple on the shoe. Unfortunately, the sun is being real funky, and it's 2 o'clock, so I was hoping to get a little bit more sun right now. But this is the shoe in natural light from the outside. Here's the shoe facing front. Here's the inside of the shoe. Let me get in close. And here is the back of the shoe right here. I do like this shoe. I am gonna relace it again because I'm not real fond of how I laced it, but this is a really nice shoe. I like this shoe because you can dress it up and you can dress it down. I missed out. I think I missed out on the cool grays. Those would have been really cool. But I do like this purple. It puts another color in my collection I don't really have. And it's a really nice shoe. It's a nice classic silhouette. I hope you guys liked all the fashions that I came up with for these shoes. Funny thing is, as I record this part, I don't know what I'm going to come up with. I literally don't know. But I'm sure I'm going to come up with something really cool. So let's look at the shoe one more time. This is the Jordan 11 Low Ultraviolet. The colorway is white, is pure white ultraviolet. So all the white is going to be all the top pieces, including the lace, the sock liner, and the tongue. Also, your midsole is going to be white too. The ultraviolet is all the patent leather part around the white. Also, you're going to have ultraviolet hits on that bottom sole, and also your bottom sole is clear. You also have ultraviolet hits on the tongue where you see that ultraviolet purple Jumpman. Also on the sock liner, you got an ultraviolet Jumpman. On the back of the shoe, you got the ultraviolet 23 in the ultraviolet color, and you have your ultraviolet Jumpman right there on the back of the shoe. Comes with white laces and also with ultraviolet laces right here. So if you want to switch it up, if you're feeling frisky, you can, you know, do ultraviolet laces on your shoes. I really like this shoe, and I'm so glad I was able to pick it up at DTLR as on the restock. And I've noticed Nike's been doing a lot of restocks. I'm really hoping you guys have been able to get in on these restocks and not pay more and go to resellers. I really hope you guys are able to grab the stuff at retail. So that's just my personal opinion. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. I need to work out and I'm waiting on Amazon. So if you guys have any questions, please talk to me below here in this video. I will have links for DTLR and other places that still have this shoe in stock. I know it's out of stock at Nike as of recording this video. If it is back in stock on Nike, I will put that link also in the video. I'm gonna get out of here like I said. So if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, Sneakers and Handbags, where I talk about a little bit of everything from handbags, sneakers, home decor, lifestyle, a little bit of everything, and even marketing. As you all know, the blog started off as a marketing blog. So that is it. Like I said, I'm gonna get out of here. I keep saying I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. I really am gonna get out of here now. So I'm out of here. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.